All right, hello everybody. I'm going to walk you through assignment number 3 here on Adobe Rush. You're going to continue with the layering of videos, but hopefully you're going to make something really cool with it. So I'm going to show you first what that cool video could be. First, we're going to watch the video. I put no sound on it. As you can see, there are wonderfully 3 of me right there, working in my basement, reading books, and then at the end he kind of disappears. All of that was done in Adobe Rush, and all it took was me having a tripod or something that could stable my iPad so I could film and not move my iPad, so everything lined up perfectly, and then I just took multiple videos of me in different spots. Here's how you're going to do that with Adobe Rush then. So I'm going to open up Adobe Rush. I'm actually going to make a new document here to walk you through. I can see I did a video of it with my son as well. So I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to add media. I'm going to put in, let's see here. I think I actually deleted out some of them, but we'll just do these 2 for now. And I'm going to hit, let's do these 3. Then I'm going to hit create. Now what I found when I was doing this is that I didn't line a lot of them up perfectly, so I had to go back through. So you can see I took one video with me back over by the window, one with me back behind my bar area, and then here's another one. Now the problem is this one, my third one, is going to block my first one, so I'm not going to be able to use that. So actually let's just get rid of that one. So I do a long press on it and hit delete. So I'm going to show you the layering just with these 2. So I'm going to use, one of them has to be your base layer, your first layer. So I'm going to use the first one. Then I'm going to put this one over the top of it, and it kind of snaps it so it attaches. So if I were to delete that bottom layer, it's also going to delete that top layer there. So now I can look at my layers, which is that bottom left over here, in the very bottom left corner. You can see it's highlighted right now. So right now when I play, you can see there's nothing going on because all it's showing is the video that's on top. Now there are some editing things I can do with that. I can go over and edit the picture. One thing I could do is mess around with opacity. And so then if I made one partially visible, you can kind of see both. But the opacity is not going to work here. What you're actually going to do is type on, click or touch advanced, and you're going to crop your video. Now it doesn't have a nice crop like a drag box where you can drag the box around. You have to actually tell it left and right which way to move. So we're going to move from the right. You can see that line magically moving right there. But since I lined up and put my camera on a tripod, everything else, all my furniture, you can see the helmet disappears there because I put it on, so I have to move away from the helmet. But everything, the table, my Christmas decorations in the back, all stay the same. So now, I'm going to move this towards the front and then run the video. There are now 2 of me back there. And I could line that up with videos of me also on the front. You're also going to have to make sure that the videos end and start at the same time. I tried to make each one 21 seconds, but even that little extra, like tenths of seconds, need to get fixed. So what I can do is just cut these videos using the scissors. So I just line up where I want the blue line there to be, the playhead that's called. Oops, hit back, I did the wrong button. Hit the scissors, and it cuts the first one. Now highlight the second one, cut that. Now if I zoom in, which is just a pinch out, like you would on a normal iPad device, I can delete those second parts. Now everything is lined up on that end. Line it up there. Now, the most layers you can do of video layers is 4. I know that looks like there are 3 layers on the bottom, but those are actually all sound layers right on the bottom. And then there's 2 more video layers you can put above. So you can layer 4 times. So I want you to make a video of yourself with at least, or of somebody in your family if you didn't want to use yourself, with at least 3 of the same person in there. Again, the keys are keeping the iPad steady, filming the segments for approximately the same amount of time, and then I want you to go into the advanced tools using the cropping and making all the stuff fit into place. Contact me if you have any questions. Good luck.